Okay, 621 is kind of a trick question, but first you have to understand that x equals 3 is a line, right? And y equals -2 is a line. So again, you don't need to graph these to do this problem, but I just want to show you what they're actually asking for. So x and y. The graph of x equals 3, 1, 2, 3. X equals 3 means in an ordered pair, the x is 3, and the y could be anything. Y could be 1, y could be 2, y could be 3, y could be -1, right? So this line, x equals 3, is a, oops, that's supposed to go through 3, is the vertical line that goes through 3 on the x-axis. Same for y equals -2, right? This is just the y value is -2, and the x could be 1, 2, 3, -1, whatever. So this is the line that goes through -2, right? And the point of intersection is this point, which is just, right, which is just 3, -2, which we could have seen just by looking at this, but I wanted to graphically show you how to find the intersection points.